Concept 1. The Himalayas. As we can observe in this video, the Himalaya stretches from west to east with a distance of 2400 km and form an arc-like structure. Their width is 500 km in the west and 200 km in the central and eastern parts. Himalayas consist of three ranges separated by deep valleys and plateaus. Those three ranges are Greater Himalayas, the Middle or Lower or Himachal Himalayas, and Shivaliks. Now, let us understand this in brief. Greater Himalayas. These are the northernmost continuous ranges in Himalayas. These are also called as Himadri. This range consists of highest peaks such as Mount Everest, K2 mountain, and Kanchenjunga. The average height of Himadri range is about 6,100 meter above the mean sea level. This range is completely covered with snow and ice. In this region, we find glaciers, which are the source of perennial rivers. The Middle or Lower or Himachal Himalayas. This mountain range is parallel and stretches in between Greater Himalayas and Shivaliks in the south. The width ranges between 60 to 80 kilometers and the average height varies from 3,500 to 4,500 meters above the mean sea level. Most of the peaks are above 5,050 meters and are covered with snow round the year. Some of the famous peaks in this range include Pirpanjal, Dhauladhar, Mussoorie, Nagtiba, and Mahabharata range. These middle Himalayan ranges are famous for resorts like Simla, Darjeeling, Mussoorie, Ranikhet, Nainital, Almora, and etc. Now, let us learn about the Shivalik range. The Shivalik range is also known as the Outer Himalayas as it is located outside of Himalayas. It has steep northern slope, so it appears like a hawk back. It runs parallel to the middle Himalayas from the Potwar Plateau to the Brahmaputra Valley. It covers 2,400 km and the width varies from 50 km in Himachal Pradesh to less than 15 km in Arunachal Pradesh. The average height varies from 600 to 1500 meters. Brahmaputra Valley acts as eastern boundary for Himalayas. These Himalayas take hairpin bend towards south at Dihang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh and stretch through northeastern states. These ranges are called as Purvanchal ranges and acts as an eastern boundary for India. These are also called as Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, Manipuri Hills, Khasi Hills, and Mizo Hills in the respective regions.
Five Mantra, the complete education.